You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from French, meaning the tide, as in the tide of the ocean, as it goes up and down on the coast. Marée is how it's pronounced in French pronunciation, marée. Marée. In English you could say it as marée, marée. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.